Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome Music Lab's Songmaker and preparing the piano view. First, set tempo modestly so notes align easily, then change the grid to 1/4 note for clarity. Once done, expand the piano keyboard to full range. This unlocks many octaves visually. Make sure to use measure stacking rather than single bar looping. It lets you extend pitch range over time. Now you're ready to place the first low octave notes. Do that immediately to anchor the lower end. Continue by extending the composition across several measures to simulate extra octaves. You'll place low notes in early measures, then transpose subsequent blocks up an octave to cover higher registers. Once placed, duplicate and shift note groups measure by measure. This creates a continuous 8-octave span despite the visual keyboard limits. Make sure to stagger note onsets so pitches don't clash, and use rests to separate ranges. This method exploits time to represent pitch range, so pace your sections. Finish by exporting your work as a MIDI file. This preserves the extended octave information you created across measures. Once exported, import the MIDI into a DAW if you need a single continuous piano roll. There you can consolidate tracks and ensure true 8-octave playback. If playback sounds clipped, split the MIDI into segments and reassign octaves in the DAW, then merge. One key troubleshooting tip: if notes still drop, test on another browser or device to rule out Chrome playback limits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.